In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Netlify site. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a project is permanent. It removes all deploys, logs, forms, environment variables, and settings tied to that project. If there's anything you might need later, make a backup first, or consider pausing the site instead of removing it. Start by opening your browser and going to netlify.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. Depending on your account, this area may group your work by team, so make sure you're in the right team or workspace before proceeding. This helps you avoid accidentally opening the wrong project if you manage multiple sites. From the projects list, select the project you want to delete and click it to open its overview. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at the right site. Check the project name, URL, and any custom domains shown. If you're using a linked Git repository, remember that deleting the project on Netlify won't delete your repo. It only removes the site and its resources from Netlify. With the project open, click Project Configuration. This is the area where your site settings live, including build settings, environment variables, webhooks, and domain configuration. It's a good place to quickly review anything you might want to save, like environment variable values or webhook endpoints, before the project is gone. Now scroll down within the configuration page and click Delete this project. Netlify will ask you to confirm the deletion. You may be prompted to type the project name or acknowledge that this action can't be undone. Read the confirmation carefully. If you use a custom domain or DNS managed by Netlify, you might see options related to removing those records. If your DNS is managed elsewhere, plan to clean up any name or A records with your DNS provider after the deletion to prevent broken links or confusion. Once you confirm, the project will be queued for removal and then permanently deleted. If you don't see it disappear right away, give the dashboard a moment to refresh. You can always recreate a site later by deploying again from your Git repository or a zip upload, but settings won't carry over automatically. That's it. You went to netlify.com, opened projects, selected the project, navigated to project configuration, and scrolled down to delete this project. Handle this action carefully, and you'll keep your workspace clean and organized.